Hello friends. You caught me dancing. I love to dance. Ready to learn a little bit today about animals. Today we are going to talk about another group of vertebrate animals. Birds. Birds are oviparous animals, that is they are born from eggs, they walk on two legs, and they have two wings that allow them to fly. Although there are some birds like the ostrich or the penguin that do not fly, even though they have wings. They have wings. The skeleton of birds is very light because the bones are hollow. Birds breathe through their lungs and they are warm-blooded animals. They feed through their beaks, which have no teeth. They have the body covered with feathers. Did you know that the heaviest bird in the world is the ostrich? No wonder they can't fly. Poor thing. Once that does fly. It is the eagle that can reach 300 kilometers per hour. Amazing. Bye-bye.
¿Te ha gustado el vídeo? Tenemos mucho más. Suscríbete al canal Cultura de todo el mundo, haciendo clic en la foto.